How to adjust date and time in laptop, PC, or computer. First, go to the taskbar and click on the search icon. In the search bar, type Time Settings, then click on the result to open it. The settings window will appear. If you want to manually set the time, you can turn off the Set Time Automatically option by switching the toggle to the off position. However, if you only want to change the time zone, you don't need to disable automatic time. Simply scroll down to the Time Zone section and click the drop-down box. Then select the time zone you want from the list. To manually change the dates and time, click the Change button under the Set the Date and Time Manually section. Once the automatic time setting is turned off, you will be able to adjust the date and time directly from this menu. After making your changes, you don't need to click OK or save anything. Just close the settings window, and you should immediately see the updated date and time reflected in the bottom corner of your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.